In the world of drones, a first is a rare thing. This is the DJI AP100 parachute. It is DJI Enterprise's first drone parachute designed for the Matrice 400, built around safety redundancy, automatic deployment and compliance with EU C5 and C6 standards. The AP100 is a high-reliability parachute system intended to help ensure the safety of people and property on the ground. Because, of course, when you're flying a serious enterprise aircraft carrying serious payloads over serious environments, the question is not just what can it do, it is also what happens if something goes wrong. The AP100 is a dedicated parachute system for the DJI Matrice 400. It mounts to the rear of the drone without affecting the battery or payload installation, and once installed, the M400 can still be placed directly into its carrying case. So this is designed to stay with the aircraft rather than becoming another bit of kit that you're constantly attaching and removing out on site. The parachute itself weighs 935 grams. It has an IP55 ingress protection rating, which of course is the same as the M400 itself, and operates from -20 to 50 degrees Celsius. The canopy material is nylon. In terms of impact on flight time when you attach the parachute, you're looking at, with something like the H30T, going from 59 minutes to 53 minutes. Compliance-wise, the new parachute is going to assist in those authorization applications, with the parachute itself being compliant with the EU C5 standard, and when the AP100 is combined with the Matrice 400, DJI tells us the package is compliant with EU C6 standards. The AP100 is not just a passive parachute sitting on the aircraft, it has its own safety systems. The main control box is independently powered with a supercapacitor, so the parachute can deploy autonomously even in power outage or disconnection scenarios. There are integrated safety self-checks, including gas generator self-checks and link anomaly detection. There is also a redundant dual system algorithm designed to ensure independent parachute deployment in case of aircraft failure. And when the parachute deploys, the system includes a propeller stop function. In both manual and automatic deployment situations, power is cut off automatically to help prevent propeller entanglement. Performance-wise, automatic deployment response time is listed at 600 milliseconds or less. The stabilized descent speed is 5 meters per second or less, and the minimum deployment altitude is 30 meters or higher. The system also includes audible and visual alarms. These are designed to warn people on the ground when the parachute deploys and to help guide the search for the aircraft after landing. The AP100 provides 1 hour of backup power, which includes those audible and visual alarms. There are 4 deployment methods. First, manual deployment. The pilot taps the parachute icon and swipes right to manually deploy the parachute. After deployment, the landing location is recorded and reported. The second deployment option is automatic deployment upon failure. The parachute can auto-deploy upon system failure, including in such situations as motor, ESC, or battery failure. Third, the remote deployment via Flight Hub 2. This can be accessed on a mobile phone or computer. It obviously needs a 4G signal, etc. The user enters the drone serial number and the parachute verification code, then slides to confirm remote deployment. And the fourth one is actually using automatic geofencing deployment. If the drone leaves the operation zone and enters the emergency buffer zone, a reminder is issued. If it continues outside of that emergency buffer zone and flies beyond the set boundary, a forceful reminder is triggered, followed by an automatic parachute deployment after 3 seconds. So that is the DJI AP100 parachute, DJI Enterprise's first drone parachute designed for the Matrice 400 with class marking compliance out of the box. We'll have our hands on the AP100 very soon, and we'll be bringing you a more detailed review. So let me know in the comments what questions you have so we can cover them in the upcoming content. To see that content when it goes live, hit the subscribe button. Sean out.